Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process how to use Verizon Travel Pass on iPhone. So, let's discuss through by each step. So, first step is enable roaming on iPhone. Before traveling, make sure roaming is on your device. In setting, go to cellular and then roaming and ensure data and voice roaming are enabled. So how to enable? First of all, go to setting and then select cellular in setting. Tap to cellular data option and enable data roaming by toggling the setting button to on. Okay, like in this image you can see this kind of interface is showing. You have to on the data roaming. Okay, so step 2 is use country code. To make calls outside the US, use the international access code country code and the number you are calling. Press and hold the 0 until you see the plus sign. Enter the country code and dial the number. Okay. So after this, enable the data usage. To use the data services like Google when overseas, you need to enable the data roaming in a setting. If data roaming is off, you can only make calls or send text. So how to enable the data usage? First of all, go to setting and tap the cellular and select cellular data option and toggle the data roaming to on. Okay, so this is the way you can enable the data usage. And after this, activating the travel passes. Step to activating the travel pass is via text. Text the travel to 4004 or use the My Verizon app. Follow the prompt to activate the travel pass. And after this, receive a text message with the daily fees after arriving at your destination. And after this, step to activating the travel pass via Verizon app. First of all, open the app and visit the Verizon website. Tap on the plan or data to find my plan. Select international plan or travel pass. Choose suitable travel pass and check pricing. And then follow the on-screen instruction to activate. Okay. Then how to manage usage? Travel pass allow 24-hour session at flat rate. You all be alerted when travel pass begin and end. If you no longer wanted to continue, you can place your phone in airplane mode. So step to use airplane mode on iPhone, swipe down to top right of your screen. Open the control center. Look for the airplane icon at the top left corner of control center. Tap the airplane icon to activate airplane mode. This disable the phone services and internet. To turn off airplane mode, repeat the same process and tap the airplane icon again. Okay. So this is all step. Thanks guys.